In this video, you'll learn how to embed a Calendly calendar into a card website. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate your scheduling tool into your site for easy access by visitors. Begin by logging into your Calendly account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the scheduling section displayed in the main menu. This area houses all your scheduled events and types, making it easy to find what you need. Next, locate the specific event type you wish to embed. To do this, look for the event name in your list of scheduled events. Once you find it, click the three-dot menu, represented by three vertical dots located beside the event name. A drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down, select Add to Website. This option allows you to access various embedding styles for your event. You should then choose Inline Embed from the available options. Following this, click on Copy Code to copy the embed code to your clipboard. This code is essential for the next steps. Now, open your card site by logging in, navigate to your card account. After logging in, navigate to your website dashboard, click on the website you wish to edit, and then select the Edit button to enter the editing mode. To add the Calendly calendar, begin by clicking on the plus Add Element button, usually located in the left sidebar. From the options that appear, select Embed. You can then drag this embed block to the location on your page where you want the calendar to appear. This placement is crucial for ensuring the calendar is visible to your visitors. After placing the embed block, click on it to reveal its settings. In the settings menu, you will see an option labeled Type. Set this to code to indicate that you will be pasting custom code. Now paste the Calendly embed code you copied earlier into the designated area. Once you have pasted the code, click Done to save your changes. To ensure the booking calendar displays correctly, you may need to adjust the size of the embed container, increase the height to approximately 700 to 900 pixels. This adjustment allows the calendar to load fully without cutting off any content, providing a better user experience. Finally, click on Publish Changes to make your updates live. After publishing, your Calendly booking calendar will now be embedded directly on your card website, allowing visitors to schedule appointments effortlessly.